Hi, tutor and classmate. I want to tell you about my experience during this quarantine. An unusual things, oral presentation, English too. My name is Deicy. I am 33 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogota, in Suba, Corinto. I have a beautiful family formed by my son Nicholas and my husband Ruben. We love and believe in Jesus Christ, our Savior. I am housewife and student of business administration in University UNAT. I have a lot of desire and all the willingness to learn new things, and that why be an instrument of blessing for everyone. This is experience in quarantine. One, we had come out here with braids. Two, they have curled their hair. Three, we have been exercise and family. 4. We are two families in your house. We have been sharing market. 5. We have talked to the family online. 6. We have done roast every day. 7. We have been eating a lot chicken. 8. We have not ordered food at home. 9. We have been doing devotional in family. And 10. I have been cooking my dishes. Bye, blesses, and thank you very much, my family. This is